Meaning of forfeit.
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 Forfeit. Forfeit refers to the act of giving up something as a penalty for not following rules or fulfilling obligations. It can also mean losing a right, possession, or privilege due to some default or misdeed. The result of forfeiting can vary depending on the context. For instance, in sports, forfeiting a match will result in a loss and no points being awarded. In legal situations, forfeiting assets may be done as a punishment for criminal behavior. Ultimately, forfeiting implies a failure to meet expected standards or requirements, leading to negative consequences.